we're good.
Alan approved.
Hey Frank. Hey buddy. Hey guy. Yeah, this is so sick. Got chickens. We got Frank. Hey Frank. And we got this freaking ramp, dude. And then there's Eric. Alright, we're here in Alan's backyard, aka the Rooster Den.
Rooster Den.
We got Eric.
Hey.
We're just gonna do like a mini edit and stack some clips and have a goof and a gaff, a hoot and a holler. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Here we go. See, now we're sitting here, guys.
God damn it, dude. God damn it. You got it.
And
That was a beautiful landing.
we're here right now. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at TheRealJaredHobbs. Follow my clothing company at LYN BMX. Follow Alan. He's a lovely guy.
At Alan Shirley.
At Alan Shirley. I'm really disappointed right now.